Hello everyone, Fernando here from PPF Pro Solutions. Today I'd like to introduce to you guys a little bit about this nice project that I'm very excited to work on. This is a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 250, which will be receiving our diamond package. So this car came to us to receive a full body dyno matte PPF and gloss dyno shield as well in some specific areas. We'll be doing also the ceramic coating on the wheels and calipers, ceramic coating on the glass, ceramic coating on the PPF, leather and fabric inside. Also, we are going to be doing the window tinting with the best product that we have, which not only includes UV protection, but also IR rejection as well. So if you're looking to get your car protected with rather PPF or ceramic coating, don't hesitate to give us a call or contact us through the website ppfprosolutions.com.au. Just fill up the form and I'll be in touch with you to explain a little bit more about what we can do to help you out to get your car protected and looking as best as it can on the roads of Sydney. Alright, enjoy the video and I'll see you guys next time. Alrighty, so we have made a good progress today. The whole car is already clean and ready to receive the PPF. We already got all the PPF cut, organized in the box. All the door handles are already off. Badges are off as well. Just need to remove the glue a little bit better. But overall, it's looking ready to receive the PPF.